Hello everyone, we will show you the application of H40 ultrasonic plastic welding machine in plastic barrel-late welding. Under the action of ultrasonic high-frequency vibration, the thermal movement of plastic molecules increases, so as to achieve the purpose of heating and melting. And without the use of other adhesives, the two plastic parts of the small lid and the large cover can be quickly melted and fused together to form a whole. Ultrasonic plastic welder has the advantages of simple operation, fast speed, and high welding accuracy. Look, this is the plastic barrel late after ultrasonic welding, which is first class in terms of appearance and quality. It is widely used in the production and processing of various plastic products, such as plastic barrels, plastic pipes, plastic containers, plastic parts, etc. Learn more, please follow me.